We tend to think of comfort food as being really not good for you, but this delicious sausage and bean stew is so comforting and it's incredibly good for you. Let's do this. Start by cooking a couple of sausages in canola oil in a nice big frying pan, just until they get a little bit golden on either side. Then I'm going to prepare some kale. Take that stem out, get rid of that. And you can use rapini or kale, whatever you like better. And then I'm gonna cut that kale into nice thin-ish ribbons, then maybe give it a few more chops just to get it into nice bite-sized pieces. Once the sausages are golden, flip them over, add that kale, just sprinkle it around so it's nice and even, and then cover it and let it cook until the kale wilts. Beautiful emerald green color, totally gorgeous. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, which is gonna help things a ton, and a 4-cup portion of my Brothy Beans, one of my favorite favors to your future self. Of course, I'm going to crush up the vegetables that are in there with the beautiful broth that's gonna add to this dish. Cover, bring it up to a simmer, and look at that. It is looking gorgeous, yum. Now it's just into the bowl, serve it up. I'm going to drizzle this with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and then maybe a few little shavings of Parmesan cheese. There you have it, a bowl full of comfort food. I love this dish and I know you're gonna love it too. It's actually my husband's favorite of all the recipes I've ever done. If you'd like the full recipe, click the link in the description below. Oh, now this uses Brothy Beans, which is one of my foundational favors to your future self. You've got to check out that masterclass. The information is in the description below. In that class, you're gonna get all of my foundational favors to your future self, which are always to stock your freezer with building blocks to make your life easier. Because life is complicated and cooking doesn't have to be. Happy cooking.